This is a 2015 Toyota Tacoma. It has the 4-liter V6, the 1GR FE, and this is the catch can I installed on this engine. It was, I think, $20 something off of Amazon. Bought it a couple of years ago. In fact, I used it on a previous vehicle, but now I got this truck, so I transferred over to the truck here. So this is just going to be about mounting it and how I installed it and ran the hoses. So as far as running the hoses, on my intake side, which is this hose right here, goes down around right by these two heater core hoses and then straight onto the stock PCV valve, and I just reused the hose clamp that was on the original hose. This is 3/8 inner diameter heater hose. In fact, I reused it from the previous vehicle that this catch can was on, and then that just routes up this way to the intake of the catch can, and then the clean air side going back to the engine. Same 3/8 heater hose goes down around, and then again I reused the same hose clamp that was on the stock hose to clamp it to the intake right there. And this setup seems to work good. The only thing is I might in the long term want to change the routing of this hose here in case it rubs against this plastic piece here, but it really doesn't look too bad for now, so I'm leaving it as is. As far as mounting, very conveniently this truck on the body panel has threads built into it right here, so I was able to take advantage of that and put this bolt in here with two flat washers. I used all stainless hardware. This is a M7 bolt, M7 threads, kind of a funky size, you don't see it much. I got this at a hardware store. I made sure I got stainless though, just to make sure it won't rust and everything. I tightened it down snug, didn't need to wail on it. I don't want to pull out this body panel or pull the threads out, anything like that. So it is proving successful here. If I remove the can here, got a lot of threads on it. So this is why you want a catch can right here. This is all stuff that would be in the PCV system of your engine getting routed right back into the intake, and especially right now with Wisconsin winters, cold temperatures, just helps keep the oil clean, get the moisture out of the oil, stuff like that. This catch can also has a dipstick on it right there, so you can check the level quickly if you need to. So yeah, it's proven very successful. No check engine lights, no drivability issues. It feels the exact same as it did before I installed this catch can here. So that's just basically how I installed it. If anybody wants to install the same thing on their engine, it worked out pretty good for me with what I had. And again, the mounting, I was lucky. Didn't have to make any mounts like I had to do with this catch can on the previous vehicle. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.